Well, I've got a 2-minute tip for you today, and it's with a product that I always keep on the van, big wipes. In particular, the heavy duty ones. Heavy duty big wipes. I always keep these on there. They are smooth on one side, rough on the other. They clean anything off. They're also great for surfaces as well. On top of that, something I just recently learned is that they're antiviral, which means that once you've used a big wipe, you don't then have to go and use an antibacterial gel. So you can see from the state of my hands, they get pretty beaten up, and in the cold weather, they start to split quite a bit, which even with soap can be quite a problem. But in fact, with big wipes, they've been dermatologically tested and they have skin conditioners in them, so they're even using these with the harshest of stuff on my hands. They don't sting, nothing gets into those cuts, and I'm not in pain. Okay, so that only took a minute. Let's give my hands a clean up and go and have some lunch. This is coming off nice and easily. I've had a bit of polyurethane glue on there today, and it's picked up a lot of the black dust and dirt. Also cleans off grease, paint, silicone, pretty much you name it, and it will clean it off. But importantly, you have to make sure you do it whilst it's still wet. So here we go, that's one wipe's worth. Look at that. You wouldn't think I'd done any work today.
Oh, just like my hands.
Well, you haven't done any work today. Let's go and have some lunch.